Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you how I create this ring using FreeCAD. So this is how it looks in FreeCAD. If you like this design, you can follow my tutorial and also give me a like and subscribe. So thank you. Okay, so first I create new document and in the schedule workbench, I create new sketch in the front view. Let's create a circle. Start from the center. And I will set the diameter to 17.5. So this will be the diameter of the ring. So I can close that and go to the part workbench and click on the sketch and I will extrude it 10 symmetric and make sure you check the solid option. Click OK. Now I go to the curve workbench and I click on the surface and sketch on the surface. Click on this tool and you can see in the G view we have a new folder, sketch on surface created. And if you drop it down, inside here is a map sketch. If you double click on the map sketch, you can see if you draw something inside this sketch, this will map into the surface of the object. So first I will start to draw two lines. Actually I should view the section. And I will draw two lines. The first one from here to here. And the second one from here to here. Let's create a point and put that point into this line. Okay, now you select this point and this line and set a constraint to it. Now I select this line and turn that into construction geometry. Okay, now I create a circle. Let's create the first one from the center, from this point, and drag out. So for the first circle, I select the circle and select this line and hit T for tangent. Let's draw the other one. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, make sure this one is not tangent. Just click on the constraint and delete it. Right, now I create point. The first point I put is on this circle. And the second one is this one, this one, this one, and the last one. Alright. Now I select this point, just select all of these points here, and the last one will be this point. And I hit H for horizontal constraint. Now I select this point and this point, I hit L and I set it to 4. This point and this point, hit L and I set it to 4. Keep doing that. Hit L and set it to 4. Right. Now the sketch is now fully constrained. Now you can close that. If you close that, you can see our sketch is now mapping on to the surface. So if I click on the extrude and I hide it, it's spacebar to hide it. Next, I want to make a copy of this sketch on surface. So I go to the drag workbench and I click on the clone tool, click on it, and you can see a new clone created in the tree view, a new copy of this sketch on surface. Now I come down here and hide the grid, come up here and I click on the sketch on surface and hide it. Now I go to the sketcher workbench. I want to remove the upper part of the ring. So I will create a new sketch in the front view. Make sure you select nothing and create new sketch on the front view. And if I rotate the sketch a little bit, you can see we should create a rectangle above this red line. Now I create a rectangle, something like this. Make sure the circle is inside the rectangle. Now I can close that and select the sketch 001, go to the part workbench and extrude it. Let's try 20 and symmetric and OK. Now I select the clone, Control select the extrude, just cut it. Yes, right. I go to the Sketcher workbench, and in the Sketcher workbench, I create a new sketch on the top view. In the new sketch, I will reference this line in here, or you can click on the line or the point is okay. So I click on the point. Right, so if you click on the line, it will look like this. It will look like a red line like this is fine. So now I will create an arc. Let's try endpoints and rim point arc. So start from here, finish in here, and put it in a little bit. Another one. Okay. Now I select all of these points here, and I hit V for vertical constraint. And select this point and this point, hit L, set it to 0.7. Okay. Now I will create fillet. Let's try the first fillet here to here. Here and here. Okay. And now I will reference, let's see, I will reference this line again. I think I will reference this line. Yeah. And I select this point and this line, and I set a constraint to it. This one and this one, set a constraint. This one and this one, set a constraint. I select this arc, and I set the radius 0.25, and this point, let's see, this arc and this point, set a constraint. This one and this one, set a constraint. this arc in this point, set a constraint. Also, I select this point and this point. I hit V for vertical constraint. This one and this one. Hit V. This one and this one. Hit V. Okay, now the sketch is fully constrained. Now I can close the. You can see the sketch is looking like this. Now I will create an arc, connect from this point the bottom point of our ring. Let's see, I will create another sketch on the front view. And I rotate the sketch a little bit. I will reference this point right here and this point in here. Okay, now I go back to the front view and I create center arc. Start from the center, put one point here and another point here. Now I can close that. You can see we have a new arc connecting these black line together. Now I will turn this sketch, the sketch 002, into the joy curve, because I will use the golden surface to generate the surface. So I select the sketch. Let's see, I go to the curve bench. And let's see, I will select the cut and I will hit spacebar to hide it. And I hit Shift B. And I click and drag to select all of these line here. And let's try the joy curve. Click on it. Now we have a new joy curve created in the tree view. Let's show the cut. Alright. Now I can save it. Save it. Okay, after you save it, you control select this one, and this one, and then you select this one, and you come up here, select this one, and let's try golden surface. Now you can see we have a new golden surface in the viewport. Next, I will fill the surface in the middle. But first, I should click on the golden surface and hide it. And let's try to go to the Sketcher workbench and create a new sketch in the front view. Again, rotate the sketch a little bit, and I will reference this point over here. Okay, now I'll go back to the front view. And I will create a center arc. Start from the center. Put a point in here. And the last point on the red line. Now I can close it. And you can see the new sketch 004 sitting at the center of the ring. Next, I want to create a line connect from this point to this point. So I go to the curve bench, Control select this point and this point, and create a line. Okay. Now I go to the surface workbench. In the surface workbench, I will use the filling tool. Click on it, and I will start from this line, and this one. You can see. Now I cannot click OK to confirm that. Next, I will select the cut over here, and I will hide it. And I also select one of these sketch 003 and the joint curve, and I hide it. And I also want to show the golden surface. The next thing I need to do is I want to join the golden surface and the new surface here together. To do that, I select this golden surface and this surface. Go to the curve workbench and I click on the parametric solid. And I hit spacebar to hide the surface in the past and only show the new surface. Next, I want to make a copy of the solid and scale it down to to create the thickness of the ring. So select the solid, go to the job workbench, and just create a new create a clone. Click on the clone tool, and you select the clone and go to the data and scale. Let's scale it in the S and Z axis to 0.9. Okay, 0.9 and 0.9. Let's go to the surface workbench. And I will fill the surface. I will use the section tool, click on it, and I will fill this. I will select the edge first. Click on it, and I select this edge and this edge. Okay. Okay. Now I think that's enough to join it again. Let it shift B and click and draw again everything. And go to the curve workbench again and click on the parametric solid. Now we have the solid 002. Okay, so now I select the sketch 002 and go to the product bench. In the product workbench, I will mirror it in the S and Y plane. Click OK. And I also drop it down and select these two and mirror it again at Z plane. Click OK. Alright. Now I go back to the curve workbench. I hit Shift B and select everything and turn that into the parametric solid. Alright, so you can see in the tree view we have a new solid 003. I click on the solid 003. I hit Ctrl D to show the display property and set the material to gold and set close that. And also, let's see, I will build a shed and select the solid 003 and view deviation down to 0.01 and Ctrl S to save it. Now you just finished modeling the ring. Thanks for watching.